Need to extract insights from a PDF without reading every page. Claude AI can analyze PDFs, answer questions about their contents, identify key information, explain complex topics, and help you understand documents much faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze PDF files in Claude AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Claude AI account and open a new chat. This gives you a fresh workspace for analyzing your PDF. Make sure your PDF is ready before uploading it. Next, click the attachment button and select the PDF file you want Claude to analyze. Wait for the upload to finish before entering your prompt. Claude can read and interpret the contents of supported PDF documents. Now type a prompt describing what you'd like Claude to do. You can ask it to explain the document, identify key points, answer specific questions, compare sections, extract important data, or analyze the overall content. The more detailed your request is, the more focused the analysis will be. Review Claude's analysis and continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. You can request more detail, clarify confusing sections, or focus on specific pages or topics. Take a moment to refine your questions if you need deeper insights. Once you're satisfied with the results, copy the analysis into your notes or document. You can also continue asking questions about the same PDF without uploading it again during the conversation. Saving both the original PDF and the analysis can make future reference much easier. Repeat the same process for reports, research papers, contracts, manuals, financial documents, presentations, and other PDF files whenever you need quick insights. So you've successfully learned how to analyze PDF files in Claude AI, and that's how to analyze PDF files in Claude AI. Whether you're reviewing business reports, research papers, legal documents, manuals, or study materials, Claude can help you understand important information much faster. The more specific your questions are, the more valuable your analysis will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.